Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Thank you for those who subscribe and like. But anyway, today we're going to discuss about how to fix one of the most common error. Let me run it and see if we encounter that error. I probably if you're encountering the same error, just to start the machine. Let's see. So the error is it's called kernel panic, not synchronizing. Let's see if I am encountering the same error, and I will definitely focus on how to fix and resolve this issue. All right, so this is the same error that you have received and you have reached. It says end kernel panic, not synchronized, attempt to kill initial. So guys, this is one of the most common problems. All right, what I have done is I just open the turn Windows feature on and off, turn Windows feature on and off. So in here, what we're gonna do is we need to find out virtual machine platform, and check this one. Make sure and check this one. And the good thing is this one is already unchecked as well. Windows Hyper Version Platform. So we need to make sure these two are unchecked. Click OK. So I have done this one. Due to that error, what we're gonna do is that we have to okay, and this point I have to restart my computer, and once I restart, and we'll start from there. Okay guys, I just restart the computer, and let's start see if the problem is resolved, since you know they're all for processor and the requirement. And let's see if that option really helped. Alright, you can see something in here, which is cool. Um, oh no, we just fixed that issue. There you go. Yahoo! Alright, guys, this is how you can resolve that problem. Yeah, this is how it works. This is beautiful, and